Behind us is actually one of our operating room simulation centers.
Rather than just sitting in front of a screen, we are running through a case that I try to design to be as realistic as possible within the constraints of a sim center, and I just let them go at it. And as medical students, that's so much more impactful learning. About a year ago, we reopened our sim center to this newly renovated space.
We try to engage pretty much all of the residency programs here to come in to use this space.
You're ultimately you're looking for a place that's gonna really take you in and teach you how to be the best physician that you can be. And I feel like the simulation center was really good at doing that.
Having a sim center here provides that real-time, hands-on, kind of emotionally involved learning.
This room here is our biggest simulation room. And so we have the OR table, which is a real OR table. And then we also have our instruments in the back. We have the robotic console in here as well. We can also pull in the laparoscopic simulator. So basically all of our operating skill simulators can be all done in this one room.
We use this also to kind of simulate the emergency department.
We can run our labor and delivery.
It's really great to get yourself immersed as best you can so that when the time does come and you need to deliver a baby, in this case, I don't have to think, okay, what am I actually gonna do? I have done it before. Having moments like this in the Sim Center where you get to practice lets you step into those situations, and while you're still a little bit overwhelmed at first, take what you know and apply it to the situation. And as you get to do more and more of them, you feel much more comfortable.
It feels as close to real as possible. So really you're getting some of that adrenaline going, you're getting some of the anxiety.
You're trying to manage as many things as possible, just as you would be in the ED. You're trying to read EKGs, you're trying to read chest x-rays and perform procedures. Like we intubate patients, we do central lines, we do all these different procedures.
Because the simulations are so good with the bleeding effects, and then with our mannequin simulations, we have the heart rate, we have the blood pressure, we have their breathing. They can actually make noises and talk to us.
That allows an opportunity for us to visit both kind of the bread and butter, regular things that we see every day, and to be able to hit on sort of the rare cases.
And especially the scenarios for pediatric situations and obstetric situations that you don't see super frequently. Those, I think, are some of the most meaningful because you get that practice. You get to really immerse yourself in a scenario that in real time can be nerve-wracking, and you want a calm doctor for your scary situation.
We have, I believe, about 8 to 10 clinical rooms that we can teach how to see patients in the outpatient settings.
And so standardized patients are really a fantastic resource for our medical students and our residents to be able to use to execute and practice a lot of those soft skills of how to be a good bedside doctor.
And with the control centers and all of the rooms, we have really, really nice video system. And so that's part of the simulation teaching, have the learners watch what they do.
You gain more confidence in your own decision-making process, but you also feel a little bit more at ease knowing that you have educators around you that are willing to teach you, willing to guide you.
And so you take that step where you take the book knowledge, apply it at bedside. Once you get comfortable kind of in the simulated environment, you go and see real patients.
Watching the learners get excited and watching them say, hey, this is really cool. Like, my heart's pounding. This is why I came for training. And this is how I get to practice it in an environment where we can go through the scenario afterwards. We can talk about every single movement, every single part of the operation, and be able to have that education here for them. I think that's what makes me the happiest.